Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you need to find and select the apps right here. Choose more key right here and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset apps, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.